I want to make smoothies, but I don't have strawberries. God has blessed me with strawberries in my garden. Come and see how I'm living life. Okay, this one is ripe. Let's cut. I have one. This, I don't know, yeah. This strawberry is even more sweeter than the ones I buy in the store. Life is beautiful. Oh, you say when life give you lemon, make lemonade. Wahala in a day, this one hasn't ripe. This one is ripe. Wahala in a day, finish you and make her enjoy my life. I think 3 is enough. Still have more there, and I have here. This one I'll do it with the girls, and I have here. No, this one is going. No, this one needs to go. This one. Okay, I have 4 strawberries. I have 4 strawberries. Let's go and make smoothies. I'm so happy. My strawberry garden is a work in progress. So now that we have our strawberries, let's make smoothies. I'm using banana because banana is good. Because this is a very small hand blender, so you want to like cut the things into tiny pieces. I've already washed my homemade strawberry. This is organic strawberries from AmifullestLife garden. Oh, this is so delicious. This is the most beautiful thing ever. Everything must enter. Okay, done. I don't play with my strawberries, with my blueberries. I'm going to use everything because these strawberries taste really, really delicious. Honestly, taste amazing. I feel like I'm going to eat this one. I'm just going to eat this one like this. This is so sweet. It tastes more better than the ones I normally buy from the store, honestly speaking. Tastes really, really good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my milk. Add some milk into this. And then I'm going to remove the head. Head was charging. I'm going to put more milk, but first I'm going to allow it to blend. This is so handy and it's so beautiful. Tomorrow I'm going to make orange and grapefruit juice. So I have everything ready here. This is for tomorrow. So now I'm going to add more milk. First I wanted everything to blend. Add more milk. Close it. This is, I'm taking it along with me for work. I'm just going to allow it to stand whilst I'm getting my stuff ready for work so that the head is still charging up. So this is how you make your
smoothies with your homemade strawberry steam fullest. Peace out.